Hello data lovers, this is Mohammad Liton Hussain. Today I am introducing a new video on data analytics using Excel. Believe me, Excel is the fundamental tools of data analysis. So if you will find any data analytics job that asks for Excel expertise. So if you know Excel and along with some statistical knowledge, that will be very helpful to your data analysis career. Now let's jump to our content. For today's video, we will use this data set, and I will give this link into my description box. And you have been hired as a junior data analyst in a local government office, and you have to do some data cleaning task. So your manager send you a mail to do this task, and you have to do this by this CSV file that you can download from this link. So the first task is to save this workbook on this one. First open this one, this CSV file. So open this CSV file and then just save as this workbook. Okay, just press it. Now let's check it again. Here is our workbook. Okay. And the second task is to adjust the column width. Okay, because some of the values are not displayed. So you can select by Control Shift and arrow. And then just click any of this bar and then it will adjust automatically. If you have less column, like 3 or 4 columns, then you can do it just individually. But if you have more than 100 columns or 100 columns, then you can do this in this method. And the next one is to find out the empty rows. One shortcut method is that using the filter method, find the blanks. Okay. And then the blue colors are the empty rows. Okay, so we select this and delete row. Okay, intersect, and then remove filter again. The next task is to find the duplicate values and remove them. To do this, there are two methods over there. One is conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, duplicate values, and then this highlights your duplicate values. So from here you can see this row and this row are duplicated, this row and this row are duplicated, these two are also duplicated values, and these two are also duplicated. So we have found 4 duplicate values, but one thing is that if you have a large data set for millions of data, you can't do this by this process. So another way is to do, first of all, I have to clear this. Another method is to do this, select the data, go to the data tab and remove duplicates. Okay, there are 4 duplicates and 4 duplicate values found and removed. 53 unique values remain. Okay, so spelling check, and then select the data, go to the review tab, spelling, and you can just, it's highlighted over there. Okay, you can change one by one, highlighted one by one. If you are confident that your change is okay for your dataset, then change all. And the best practice is to do one by one change. Doing this, change all. And the next one is white space. If there are any white spaces over there, to find this, I have to go find and select and replace. Okay, first of all I have to find double space. Okay, enter in this box spacebar twice. Okay, press the spacebar twice, then find next 1 2 3. Okay, so there are 3 values. So I would like to replace these double spaces with a single space, then put a single space here and replace all. Look, 3 replacements over there. Close it. And the second, the last one is department names. Okay, when it is imported, the data set not properly imported. Look, the department name has split into 2 columns, so you have to merge it into a single column. To do this, I will take helper column. Okay, why I am taking this, I will describe it later. Department name. Okay, so I have to use here concatenate function. Okay, and then concatenate this column and this column. Okay, and then 2 for other rows also. And when it appears like plus sign over there, double click on it and you need just all other rows have the same function that you want. So you don't need to do like drag and then go to the last column, last row. Just double click over there when it appears here plus sign. Let's we have found department name and we can close it. We can delete this column. Okay, but there will be an error. Let's see what error. Okay? Just delete this with reference error. Why this is reference error? Because this column depends on these 2 columns and this column references by these 2 columns. And we can't delete this because it depends on them. So we can Control C, copy, and here we have we can insert. First we insert column to the left. Okay, and then select this, Control C, copy, and here paste option. Paste values only. No references, no functions, no formulas. So only values. I would like to put only values. Okay, from the paste options. Okay, and then we can delete this. Nothing will happen. Okay, we can delete this column also. Now our dataset looks like pretty good. Okay, as a junior data analyst, I have done all the things that my manager asked. So I'm pretty happy. Thanks for watching.